In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Luxe Unboxing. My name is Josie, and today we're gonna do an unboxing from Chanel. Now, their fall collection just came out. Unfortunately, they didn't have any bags yet, but they did have some super cute jewelry, so I can't wait to show you guys what is inside the bag. Now, there is 1, 2, and 3 of them, so you guys can try to figure out what they are while I open it for you. But they are some super cute things for fall, and I love how you can kind of wear it all year round, and it's really cute. And I don't know what's in here, so we're gonna open it up together. And look at these super cute Chanel earrings. How cute is that? It's like two-tone, so you can definitely dress it up and dress it down. You can wear it with dresses, jeans, but I just really love the way that it'll sit on your ears, because I know that, look, how cute is that? So I want to show it to you guys really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. And it is like the perfect fall accessory for your matching Chanel bag, because I know that you guys are probably going to buy some, right, for the fall collection. And the next item on here is going to be, if you guys can take a guess, go ahead and comment down below what it is. It is going to be a super cute, I love how these come in like these really cute velvet containers. And 1, 2, oh my gosh, how cute are these guys? Like, let me just take it out. These are super cute hoop earrings. It is perfect for fall, and I really like the way that actually kind of matches my ring. If you guys take a look, how cute is that, right? So I really love that this is like a perfect accessory for anytime. If you want to wear them every day, you could even do that. Or just like if you want to dress it up with a cute black dress, or maybe some jeans and a black shirt, which is what I'm wearing right now. I think it would look really cute and really elegant, and it'll give like a little pop of color. So this is the second item, and the third one is, I'm going to show it to you guys. It's really cute because this item is completely sold out, I believe, as of right now today, because the FA at the store only said they had 1 available. So this is the really pretty and fabulous matching ring to these super cute earrings. It's like a perfect set, so you can definitely dress it up and dress it down. And I just really love how it's very understated, so you can wear it every day if you want to, or just like a little pop of accessory. And you can wear it, like I said, with jeans. You can wear it with a cute dress, or perfect for summer too, like if you guys want to go to, you know, like a nice restaurant for dinner. But how cute is this? I really love the way that they look together, and I actually can't decide which one is my favorite. So either the ring or the earrings, which is really cute. And the last item, which you guys know, already saw earlier, and it's one of these boxes right here. It is these really cute earrings too. But the best part is with all these items, you can actually, so if you take a look, if you want, you can go ahead and match the ring with the earrings. These are perfect for all year round. I really love the contrast and the way it looks, because it looks really simple and elegant at the same time. But I hope that you guys like this unboxing. These are all the fall stuff, and I can't wait to show you guys what the new bags are that are coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some pictures, but I hope you guys like this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys like to see next. Thanks, bye.